Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little wheel locations for day 6 in Heartopia. So during this Call of Wheels event, the NPC Naughty will give you a quest to collect photos of little whale that hidden around the Whale Volcano camp like this. And then so just go meet the NPC Naughty and then just accept the quest and then just start to collect the photos of little whales. And then if you missed the previous day, don't worry, you can just find all the guides in my Heartopia playlist to collect the previous photo. And then for day 6, just head to these locations on this room. This one, you can see that you can see the little whale on here. And then next, just take your camera, open your camera, and then just simply take your photo like this. Olivine splash whale. Just take a photo, and just like that, you will successfully take a photo of the little whale day 6. And then for the furniture bubble, it's just near on this area, like that. Just pop it like this, and you will get the olivine splash wheel furniture. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.